What's up, fam? This is your boy El Jefe, and I'm here to talk to you guys about a new set of cans that just came in. I think you guys would actually enjoy. So what I've got for you guys here are the Phiaton BT460. So you can find these guys on Amazon.com right now. Come in 4 different colors. Run you right about $129.99. I'll be sure to leave a link to that in the description box right down below. Make sure you guys check that out. Now, before we go any further, and for full disclosure, Phiaton did reach out to me, sent out this review sample free of charge for my honest opinion and review. And if this is your first time here, you're not sure with how I do things, whether a company sends out the product for me free or if I go out and buy it myself, I'm always going to keep it 100% real with you guys and let you know whether or not it's worth your hard-earned money. So with that said, let's jump right into this. So first up, let's talk about some of my gripes with the headphones, and then we'll move into the things that I do like about them. So first up, let's talk about the comfort. So while they do have good padding around the ear cups themselves, very cushioned, feels really good on the ears. You don't get a lot of fatigue as far as that goes. There is a bit of a lack of padding on the headband itself. It's sort of like a rubbery piece with very, very minimal padding. So for a bald guy like myself, after about 45 minutes or so, it got a little bit, started feeling a little sensitive up here. So I figured, I had to take a couple points away from them for that, because it would have been nice if they would have put the same amount of padding that they did, on the ear cups. If they would have extended that to the headband, these would have been exceptionally comfortable. Now, this is a little nitpicky, obviously, but these are foldable headphones. Unfortunately, they do not have rotating ear cups. So some of those rotating ear cups can come in handy for different situations. You want to lay them flat on the table, or, to, pack them away, sometimes a little bit easier. So that's that. I mean, it can help with that sort of thing. It's nice when you have them both being, both foldable and rotatable, like a lot of the newer modern headphones are. But yeah, they just don't rotate. And then next, they do have touch controls, so you have touch controls for both volume, play, pause, and answer calls, and then also for skip forward and skip back. So as far as the volume control goes, sliding up and down, there's a groove on the right side. You can feel where to do it. So that's pretty easy and intuitive. As far as, skipping tracks and, play, pause, that takes a little extra getting used to, so you can kind of get the muscle memory of where it is. So it does take a little extra getting used to. There's no tactile way for you to know exactly where to place your finger for skip track. So it took a little getting used to. And then last but not least, there is a little bit of noise leakage with these headphones above 85%. Now, most people aren't going to be listening to these headphones above 85% because they do get plenty loud. But I figured there are some people who use, headphones when they're studying, or maybe they're in a dorm, or whatever the situation might be. Maybe you're at work in the office. So if you're going to listen to these, above 85%, there is a bit of noise leakage. So just be aware of that. Now let's get into the things that I do like about these headphones. So first up, let's talk about the microphone quality, because I know that's super important to a lot of you guys. There's a lot of people out here who like to use their headphones to make phone calls and things like that. These do feature that CVC, which is that clear voice capture technology. I believe that the phone call quality is actually pretty good, but I'll let you be the judge. Check out this sound clip real quick.
Hello?
Hey, so I'm calling you to test out these headphones. How do I sound? How am I coming through?
Pretty clear, but almost a little bit tunnely.
Okay, so like maybe a little bit of echo or something?
Yeah, echoey. Yeah, that's a better word.
Okay, thanks.
Uh-huh.
Bye. So, what do you guys think? I know that she says that it sounds a little bit echoey. The room I was recording in has high ceilings, so that could be part of the echo, but to me, it's probably one of the better sounding ones that I've heard in a long time. But let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think? These also do feature that autoplay pause feature. Now, on some other headphones that I've reviewed, that's been sort of clunky. It would kind of work and kind of wouldn't work on some of the other headphones I've tried. On these, it actually works really well. As soon as I pop them on, it activates my Spotify last played song, and the song will start playing. As soon as I take them off my head, it immediately pauses. So it's a feature that has worked very well for me so far. I haven't seen any weird clunkiness or any malfunctions with it. So as far as the play pause feature, so far so good. Now, these do feature Bluetooth 4.2. So I know a lot of people are like, it's not Bluetooth 5 and like that's some sort of a bad thing. It really isn't. You still have great range and you have great connectivity. So by range, I'm talking about I can go anywhere in my apartment with the headphones on and it's not even an issue whether I'm behind a door or a wall. Still not a problem. Outdoors, I managed to stretch these out to right about 35, 36 feet before I got the first hiccup in the connection. So as far as the range goes, it's still plenty more than enough than most people need. And then tying into that, video latency. So I didn't experience any video latency with these headphones. Whether I'm watching videos on YouTube or Hulu, Prime Video, testing them on the Galaxy S8, testing them on the OnePlus 6, no issues at all. Next, let's talk about the battery life. So as far as battery life goes, they're claiming 20 hours worth of battery life with a 3-hour recharge time. In my testing at about 70 to 85% volume, I managed to squeeze about 17 hours and 45 minutes out of these. I think it was probably 17 hours and 50 minutes, just depends. I did take a few phone calls in between there, so that might have added up to the time a little bit, but still not bad considering the volume levels that I was listening to them at. Now, can you actually squeeze out the 20 hours out of these? Certainly. I'm sure if you listen to them at a quieter volume, probably not going to be an issue. And then one of the other things that I really do like is, out of the box, they came with a nice carrying case. So I think that's a nice touch. I love when headphones, especially headphones in this price range, include a nice carrying case. And inside the carrying case, they also give you 2 cables, one to charge it up, which is micro USB, and they also give you a nice braided cable, as far as audio goes, the 3.5 millimeter to 3.5, and it also has an inline microphone. So if you want to run these headphones in wired mode with no power, you can still use the microphone and you can still listen to them. And then whether or not you're listening to them in Bluetooth mode or in wired mode, they still sound good. And that leads me into the sound quality portion of this review. So let's start with volume. So volume on these is excellent. For me, I was listening to them anywhere between about 70 to 85% if I wanted to listen to them loud. Above that, it gets a bit too loud, and it just, you don't want to listen to that loud because, you're going to end up hurting your hearing. So you don't want to do that to yourself. So as far as volume goes, plenty of overhead. If you're gonna listen to audiobooks or watch movies, maybe have some quiet dialogue, not gonna be an issue with these headphones. And then the quality of the sound. So these have aptX and AAC for audio codecs. So listen to them on aptX mode through my Galaxy S8. The sound quality is excellent. It didn't even matter, what genre of music I listen to. If you guys want to check out my playlist, I'll leave a link to Spotify in the description box down below. It has a ton of different genres in this playlist that I use to test with. I think you guys will enjoy it. And it'll give you an idea of, how I test these headphones out. Now, these aren't a super bass heavy type of headphone. They do have some serious bass. They really shine with the mid-range and the top end. It's actually, I would say, balanced but with good bass would be the best way that I could describe them to you. And very clear, crystal clear sound. So if it's EDM or rock, hip hop, trap, whatever it is, these sound excellent. And when I first saw these headphones, I hadn't heard of them before, and then I saw the price tag at $130. I was like, you know what? I have high expectations. My expectations were met and surpassed. So the sound quality on these is legit. Like I said, I hadn't heard of Phiaton before, but now that I have and I've tried out these products, I look forward to trying out some more of their headphones and earbuds because these have left me impressed. Now, do I recommend you guys go out and pick up the Phiaton BT460 headphones? If you're in the market for headphones that are under 150 bucks, you're looking for something that's got some good build quality, touch controls, and excellent sound, and also aptX functionality, then I think you guys should definitely give these a shot. Now, I am aware that they're not a super well-known brand, but I've been trying out a ton of different brands that are sort of off-brand or maybe not well-known, but these have seriously impressed me. Whether you're going to try them out in Bluetooth mode or wired, if you want to use them for phone calls, anything like that, I think these are going to be an excellent choice for you. They also come in 4 different colors, so if style is a big thing for you on the way your headphones look, then check out the links in the description box below so you guys can see, which style might be a better fit for your needs. So let me know what you guys think. Have you guys heard of Phiaton? Have you guys tried out any of their headphones? Let me know down in the comments section. If you guys have any recommendations of other headphones that are similar to these or even similar to this price range, let me know. You guys know I love your suggestions and I love talking about this stuff with you guys in the comments section. And if you guys like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys didn't like this video, go ahead and hit the dislike button. There's always a couple of you out there and I don't want you feeling left out. And if you haven't done so already, consider joining the fam. Hit that subscribe button along with a small notification bell. This way you never miss any of my weekly videos. Now, if you guys are interested in checking out some more headphones, more reviews, and stuff like that, I'll leave a few videos up here on the screen for you guys to check out. Feel free to check those out. Leave me some messages. If you guys just want to say what's up in the comments, say what's up in the comments. So with all that said, I hope I brought you guys some good value today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope everybody has a great week, and I will see you guys in the next video.